Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on the topic legendaries. Let us solve the problem. 2x plus 3 whole square d2y by dx square minus 2 times 2x plus 3 into dy by dx minus 12y equal to 6x. Therefore here the given differential equation is 2x plus 3 whole square into d2y by dx square minus 2 times 2x plus 3 into dy by dx minus 12y is equal to 6x. We call this as equation 1. Here if you observe the term, the first order derivative is multiplied by ax plus b type of term. Second order derivative is multiplied by ax plus b whole square, that type of term, and that's why that are variable coefficient. Therefore this is linear differential equation with variable coefficient type. It is in Legendre's form. And as it is in Legendre's form, we substitute that 2x plus 3 as e raised to t, a standard substitution to convert it into linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Then transferring this e to left side, therefore we get log of 2x plus 3 is equals to t. From this we get the value of x as e raised to t minus 3 divided by 2, and using capital D for the operator d by dt, we have this 2x plus 3 into dy by dx, 2x plus 3 into dy by dx, as per that discussion which I have performed in earlier video. It is a dy, the value of a is here 2, therefore it is 2 dy, and that 2x plus 3 whole square d2y by dx square as a square, therefore 2 square d minus 1 into y. And substituting this in equation 1 becomes therefore this term we replace by this, therefore it is 4 d minus 1 into y minus 2 times 2x plus 3 into dy by dx, that value is 2 dy, minus 12y, and that is equal to 6x. The value of x is e raised to t minus 3 by 2, and therefore it is equals to, taking y common from all this, it is 4d square minus 4d, again minus 4d, and minus 12 into y is equals to, dividing by 2 we get here it is 3 times e raised to t minus 3. It is 4d square minus 8d minus 12 into y is equals to 3 e raised to t minus 3. Then taking 4 common from this, we get 4 times d square minus 2d and minus 4 3 is 12, 3y is equals to 3 times e raised to t minus 3. And then dividing by 4 throughout, dividing by 4 we get d square minus 2d minus 3 into y is equals to 3 by 4 e raised to t minus 3, and we call this equation number 2. New equation, equation number 2 is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. It is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. And therefore, to solve it, we have to find out CF and PI. Therefore, auxiliary equation here, d square minus 2d minus 3 equating it to 0. Finding the factors of this, factors of 3 are d minus 2 and d minus 3 and d plus 1, so that the product of this is minus 3 and the sum of these two terms is minus 2. Equating each to 0, it implies we get d is equals to 3 and d equal to minus 1. Roots are real and different, and therefore CF is, it is C1 e raised to 3t plus C2 e raised to minus t. We call this as equation number 3. Then we find out Pi. By inverse operator technique, it is 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3, which we have to operate on this. Therefore, it is 3 by 4 e raised to t and minus 3 is a 9 by 4. That term becomes into 1 we can write down as e raised to 0t. Then operating separately term by term, we get it is equals to 3 by 4 constant outside 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3, which we have to operate on e raised to t minus 9 by 4 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3, operate it on e raised to 0t. The term on the right hand side of that operator is of e raised to ax type, and therefore using that replacement, here d replaced by a, and the value of a is here 1, coefficient of t. In second term, d replaced by a and the value of a is here 0. We get therefore 3 by 4 1 upon replace d by 1, so wherever d is there we put 1, therefore 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 1 and minus 3 into e raised to t minus 9 by 4, replacing d by 0, therefore 0 minus 0 and minus 3 into e raised to 0t, and therefore we get it is 3 by 4 times 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 we get minus 4 into e raised to t minus 9 by 4, and this is minus 1 by 3, e raised to 0t is 1. We get Pi as minus 3 by 16 e raised to t plus 3 by 4. We call this equation number 4, and then we take the addition of CF and Pi to get the complete solution, and therefore the complete solution is CF plus Pi. Complete solution is always for the dependent variable. Here the dependent variable is y. CF is C1 e raised to 3t plus C2 e raised to minus t, and Pi, from these two terms we can take 3 by 4 common. Here remains 1 and minus 1 by 4 e raised to t as equation number 5th. It is the relation between dependent variable y and independent variable t, but the original equation is in terms of x and y. Therefore, once again we convert t in terms of x, and therefore we have that 2x plus 3 has e raised to t, and the value of x is e raised to t minus 3 divided by 2. We use this information, and therefore that solution becomes y is equal to C1 e raised to 3t means e raised to t and its cube. E raised to t is 2x plus 3 and its cube plus C2 e raised to t raised to minus 1 means it is 2x plus 3 raised to minus 1 plus 3 by 4 1 minus 1 by 4 times e raised to t, and the value of e raised to t is 2x plus 3. Is this required solution of that given differential equation? If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates on new videos. Thank you very much.